Today we're coming to you with a knife from AliExpress. The brand as advertised, I'm just going to spell it because I don't know how to pronounce it. It's TGZUO. And model Q19 is what they advertise it as. It is a titanium BALISOng butterfly utility knife thing. Let's open it up, check it out. I have opened it already, but I repackaged it for the video here. Comes in this little black cardboard box here. Pretty decent little box. And then there's a kind of a bubble wrap envelope here. Kind of has this sticky resealable deal. Dump it out here. It's really sticky. Alright, there's supposed to be a wrench in there too. Did the wrench come out? I don't know where the wrench went. It's not in there. I must have lost the wrench or misplaced it. Anyhow. Oh, here it is. Yeah. So, the knife itself comes in this little package here. Little Ziploc type bag. I can get it open. There we go. So this is what you get. You get the little wrench for all the hardware that's on it. And then it comes with a 10 pack of utility blades. Utility cutter blades, just standard like box cutter blades. Then we have the knife itself. It is titanium construction. I don't know if this comes out, what the finish looks like here. It's decently finished. It's and machined. So that's the full length there. I believe everything on this but the replaceable blade and the hardware is all titanium. Excuse me. When you get it, it won't have a blade in it. I've already installed a blade. As you can see, the blade does have a little wiggle to it, but no more than a lot of utility knives with retractable blades, so it's not a deal breaker for me, but if it is for you, there is that. Let me set it down here, and I'll set it down and I'll read off some specs here. I did purchase this on AliExpress. It was $39.53 plus shipping. It took about a little over a month to get to me, so if fast shipping is a must for you, this knife is not for you, unfortunately. But I think for a titanium knife, the price is right. The advertised specs on this are the open length with the blade. These are all in metric because it did come from China. Length are 178.2 millimeters long. Folded is 117.6 millimeters long. It is advertised as 10.8 thick. Probably at the widest point here where the pocket clip is, and 21.9 wide. The weight is 78.5 grams. It's pretty light. It's kind of, the weight is biased a little bit towards the well, it's a little tail heavy, I guess, but the blade up here makes a little extra weight comparatively. It is advertised as being kind of a little bit of a multi-tool. The end of the tang here, it comes to a chisel point here, and it is advertised as being able to use it as a pry bar. I believe you'd be able to use it as a standard screwdriver, flat-bladed screwdriver also. And then the latch doubles as a bottle opener. Let's see. The pivots are on washers, appear to be bronze washers. Let's see. Like I said, this wrench comes with it, and that is how you change the blade out. You remove these two screws, this plate comes off, and then the blade fits in there. It has the little cutouts here for these type of blades. I'll show you here on the package. It has little milled things that come into the blades there that lock it in so it can't come out. As I said, it does have a little bit of wiggle, but all in all, I think this is a good value for the money. You're getting a titanium knife. It is kind of a, I don't know what you call it, like a no-name brand type thing, being from China, but since there's not really anything quite like this in the domestic market, this is kind of the way to go. I kind of looked around. I believe Artisan Cutlery used to have a BALISOng utility knife that took blades like this, but they apparently no longer manufacture, or nobody has one, so I looked around and found this. I'll provide a link to the listing in AliExpress where you can check it out if you want it, in the description. If you found any entertainment or informational value in this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel. That way you will never miss a new video. I try to post once a week towards the end of the week, and I also have an Instagram that I will occasionally post a image of what might be coming up on the YouTube channel, so you get a little heads up. Check that out. That Instagram is MacD Design, MacDDESIGN. Check that out. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. Also, I forgot to mention, I wanted to compare this here to the Kershaw Lucha. You see, it's for a size comparison. That's about the size difference. We'll open them up here. You can see them side by side. This latch is a little tight on this here. I'm sure it'll work in. So there you see the side by side on the two. Lower this here down, you get a closer shot here. There they are. So there you are. All right, thank you.